So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Today in this video I am going to discuss a really great news for all the students and their parents. And this news is good for all the students whether they are studying in schools or in colleges or universities. So actually this is a dream of all the parents that their children should get high and top class education. They want that their children should go to the most reputed schools and colleges and universities. But the problem in India is that there are, if we count among the top 500 universities, there are only 10 main universities among them. 8 out of them are these IITs and 2 more are one IISc Bangalore and then the Delhi University. So now the problem with these universities is that out of these 10, 9 are providing only science and technology courses. So only Delhi University is left which is providing maximum and you can say multiple courses to the students. So that is the biggest problem being faced by all the students of India. But now here is a good news that when this new education policy was announced, there was a question frequently being asked by many people that why the government is still not allowing foreign universities to come to India. So now finally this long awaited decision has been unveiled that according to the National Education Policy 2020, foreign universities are also allowed to start their education in India also. So it is a moment of exuberance and delight for everybody. So this is really a great news for higher education fraternity and those students who want to go to abroad for their higher studies, and even those who are aspiring to go to foreign universities. They can also avail this facility at their very country now. So this is a great opportunity for all the students, and moreover this has also been asked by some educationists that instead of 100, this number of top 300 universities should be allowed to work in India, because if they will operate more number of universities, it will provide more affordable education to the students of India, because India is a price sensitive market. And this will also be very interesting to see how many of these universities are interested to operate in India, because already they are working in other countries like Qatar, Singapore, China, Dubai, etc. So now we have to see how many of these universities want to come to India also, and it will really be a big opportunity for the students of India also. So what are your views related to this big news? So please tell in the comment box, are you in favor of this, or you think that it will be useless and it will not be of any help to the children of India? So provide your valuable comments in the comment box and do share this video with others also. Thank you everybody.